about what investigators say happened to Allisha Watts. They believe her boyfriend killed her during a trip to Charlotte.
But the autopsy report just released is now leading to more questions from her friends and family. New tonight, Channel 9's Jonathan Lowe talked to an attorney about what is in this new report.
A judge gave the Montgomery County District Attorney until this week to produce key pieces of evidence in this case, including this autopsy report. Well, now that it's been released, legal experts are wondering about the future of this high-profile case.
After 8 months of waiting, today the state medical examiner's office released the autopsy report for Allisha Watts, the woman who was found dead in Montgomery County last August after visiting her then boyfriend, James Dunmore, in Charlotte.
I was hoping for more definitive evidence.
Her most ardent supporters, including Allisha's mentor, Dot Brewer, trying to accept that the report lists the cause of death as undetermined.
We don't want to say we are losing. It just means that there's got to be probably some more questions asked.
The details are disturbing. The ME says Allisha's body was found badly decomposed in a forest in Candor, North Carolina, 5 weeks after she was last seen.
It's raising a lot of questions.
Yolanda Trotman is a former judge and currently a criminal defense attorney. She's not involved in the case, but reviewed the report for Channel 9.
Oftentimes, bones can still tell the story.
The ME says the condition of Allisha's remains made it impossible to determine if she had been injured.
You would still think there maybe would be enough tissue or enough of something in a toxicology.
The report also shedding new light on Allisha and James Dunmore's cell phone movements around the time she vanished. Investigators say both pinged near where her body was found.
Understand, though, a phone pinging at a location means that that phone is at that location. That doesn't mean that person is at that location.
Trotman says the findings here could impact James Dunmore's next court hearing scheduled for next week. He's currently charged with first-degree murder and has been in jail for months on a $1 million bond.
When you have an autopsy report that is undetermined and a toxicology report that doesn't point to it necessarily even being a homicide, they absolutely are going to ask for a bond reduction.
Allisha's supporters are actually holding a vigil tomorrow in Southern Pines. That is where Allisha worked. James Dunmore is scheduled to be back in court on Monday. In the newsroom, Jonathan Lowe, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
Now, Channel 9 has covered every